Model, 2018 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130PS 350 L4H3 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive fridge van needs turbo, still runs fine. Starstruck. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 93,435. MOT, the 25th of July 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. This is a straightforward servo repair. The van still starts perfectly and the engine idles exactly as it should. Grin straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors, fully working fridge unit works perfectly. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail.